The Great Hazelnut Harvest 2021 comes to a close today. So this should hopefully be our last day picking nuts here at Hazel Acres. Again, there's going to be a handful of shrubs that simply aren't ripe yet. But interestingly enough, if you listen closely, you can probably hear some of the big grain dryers going. So we have farmers out in the field. Corn and soybean harvest is underway. One cornfield, we've got a couple of bean fields that have been taken out already, and we're looking to finish things up today. So we hope to see the tally at the end of the day. We'll see you then. I've mentioned it before, but it really is true. You never know what you're going to find in the hazelnut orchard. In this case, an old bird's nest that a mouse or other critter made into a nut cache. And then, not 15 minutes later, another old bird's nest. But instead of finding nuts inside, we found several mouse pups tucked into a corner of the nest. It doesn't show up well in the picture, but you can just make out a ball of fur. Speaking of a ball of fur, let's play a game. Let's play Can You Find It? In this game, your job is to try and find the object hidden in the hazelnut shrubs. Now, it's not something I put there, but something I found. Take just another couple of moments to look. Let's zoom in just a little bit. Can you see it now? Don't worry, we'll zoom in once more and see if it becomes any clearer. How about now? Can you see it? And now? Folks, this is really cool and something I've never seen in the hazelnuts before. I'm still surprised that I was able to spot it. This little tiny bat is just hanging out in the hazelnuts, biding his time until nightfall, when he'll go hunting for all sorts of insects. You never know what you're gonna find in the hazelnuts.
Oh, there's a salamander. 'Tis the season. They're on the move, looking for somewhere to... Oh no, that one might be dead. Did it freeze last night? Oh no, I think it did freeze. No, it's still alive. It's just not moving at all. So that's a salamander. And yeah, it's pretty chilly. We're just gonna let him be. He's trying to get somewhere for some reason, so more power to him.
As our final day of picking comes to a close, you can feel the electricity in the air. Or maybe it's the cool temperatures. It is about 25 degrees cooler today than yesterday. Whatever it is, we are happy to be done picking, and sometimes you just have to let it out. This is no doubt the busiest time of the year for us, August through October. From getting the hazelnuts picked, dried, and husked, to all the other chores on the farm that need to get done before the snow flies. And we're not the only ones feeling happy. Even Jack the puppy feels it. Our haul for today was a couple of small drums and several buckets of nuts. We're going to get them spread out to start drying. Hopefully, in a week or so, we're going to be able to get everything cleared out of the bin and into the Super Squirrel Husker. I'll certainly share our experience husking nuts, so be sure to check back. In fact, it's probably best if you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single episode of a new video we post. Well, this is going to be the end of the Great Hazelnut Harvest 2021. As I look back, it's been a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoyed the journey. We will continue to educate folks about hazelnuts and continue sharing these videos so you can learn right along with us. In conclusion, I promised the pickers that I would take them bowling once we finished picking all the nuts, and today is the day. So here is Santiago, Salvador, and the whole gang, and it's their first time bowling. So Santiago needs 5, cinco. Can he knock down 5? Oh no!